Try this method and it will give your image an impression. First of open Ibis Paint X. Import picture of your drawing. Lower the brightness to -100%. Add new layer and set to add. Pick a color that you want to use on glow. Use this area only whenever using an add blend. Pick a brush first before painting. I used customized airbrush in this glow. You can use any brush that you like. I paint the eye first. Add new layer now to add luminance. I used airbrush and overlay in my luminance effect around the glow. I add also a luminance effect in the hair for my glow later on. Add new layer for the hair glow. Remember always the concept of glow is always have a highlight on the middle of luminance. If you have a question, just drop it on comment section. After After I paint the glow, I go to filter and change the hue of the hair. If I feel good about it, then I check the icon. After that, I add all layer in one canvas and erase the unwanted layers. Go again in Filter tab to make final touch. I make Anya in warm and pink mode because that looks good on her. Bonus tip, go to color balance and add some correction tone to make your image pop up and more aesthetic. If you feel this video helps you, suggest you to subscribe for more Glowart tips and tricks in this channel.